Hello, curious minds. Welcome to Totally Toddler Ed. Today we are going to learn how to make DIY discovery bottles for sensory exploration in a jar. It's a fun and easy project that will captivate your little ones and enhance their sensory experience. We are going to create magical bottles filled with wonders that will tickle your senses. Are you ready to dive into the world of sensory exploration? Let's get started! To create our sensory bottles, you'll need some simple materials. A clear plastic bottle with a secure cap, water, and a variety of fascinating items that will make your senses come alive. Let's explore the possibilities together. Once you have all your materials, it's time to fill the bottle. Start pouring in your main material, such as glitter or beads. Then, fill the bottle with water or oil, leaving some space at the top. Add a few drops of food coloring or liquid watercolors to create the desired color. Finally, close the lid tightly and shake the bottle to see the sensory experience come alive. First, let's start by adding some glitter for a touch of magic. Glitter can be like tiny stars dancing in your bottle. Can you imagine that? Let's sprinkle some glitter into our bottles. Shake. Shake. To use glitter, use different colors and sizes of glitter to create a sparkly and mesmerizing bottle. To make these bottles, you'll need some clear plastic bottles with tight-fitting lids. You can use any size or shape of bottle, but we recommend using smaller ones for younger toddlers. You'll also need various materials to fill the bottles with. Wonderful! Now let's add some colorful beads. Beads make a delightful sound as they move around. Can you shake your bottle and make music with the beads? Shake it with me. To use beads, fill the bottle with colorful beads of different shapes and sizes. This will create a sound when shaken, which can be calming for some children. To use water and oil, mix water and oil in the bottle, along with some food coloring or liquid watercolors. This will create a swirling effect when shaken. Fantastic! Next, let's introduce some soft feathers. Feathers are so gentle and light. They add a different texture to our bottles. Can you feel the feathers with your fingers as you shake your bottle? Gently shake like a feather falling from the sky. You're all doing so well! Now let's add some rice. Rice makes a wonderful sound as it falls. Can you hear the soft rain in your bottle? Let's make a rainstorm together. Shake! 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 To use pom-poms, fill the bottle with soft and fuzzy pom-poms of different colors and sizes. This will create a tactile experience for your child. To use sequins of different shapes and colors to create a shiny and reflective bottle. To use sand and shells, fill the bottle with sand and small seashells. This will create a beachy and summery vibe. Incredible! Lastly, let's add a drop of magic with a few drops of colorful liquid soap. Soap creates mesmerizing patterns as it moves. Can you see the swirling colors in your bottle? Give it a gentle twirl. Wow, you've all created your own magical sensory bottles. Each bottle is unique, just like you. Now, let's take a moment to explore our senses. Feel the textures, listen to the sounds, and watch the colors dance. Sensory exploration is so much fun, isn't it? These DIY discovery bottles are not only fun to make, but they also have many benefits for your child. They can help with cognitive development as they encourage exploration and curiosity. They can also provide a calming effect, which can be helpful for children with anxiety or sensory processing disorder. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make DIY discovery bottles for sensory exploration in a jar. You can try out different materials and themes to create a variety of bottles. Don't forget to always have someone watching over you while you play with the bottles, as some materials may be a choking hazard. I hope you had a blast creating and exploring at Totally Toddler Ed today. Remember, there are no limits to your imagination. Keep discovering, keep playing, and keep having fun. Until next time, bye-bye, little explorers.